Hoya Curtisii is native to the Philippines, Malaysia, and Thailand. The genus Hoya was named in honor of Thomas Hoya and comprises 200 to 300 species, which are commonly referred to as wax plants, wax vines, wax flowers, or Hoyas. This species has easily recognizable foliage among Hoyas with small pointed leaves and silver variegation. Among Hoyas, this species has some of the smallest leaves. Hoya Curtisii is a relatively slow-growing Hoya with yellowish-green flowers with red centers. Descriptions of its fragrance range from citrus-like to smelling initially of fresh grass, then with age more melon-like. Often used as an ornamental plant, particularly in baskets as it does not climb or twine. Aim to have this plant right in front of the window for best growth and health. Watering is an important topic for Hoyas. In general, they are very drought-tolerant plants and they prefer to dry out in between their thorough waterings. Hoyas are epiphytes in nature, so as a result of that, they need very sharply draining potting mixes. Good companion plants for Hoyas is other Hoyas. Studies at the University of Georgia found Hoyas to be very capable of removing some indoor pollutants. Hoyas also exhibit crassulation acid metabolism, whereby plants reduce evapotranspiration by closing stomata in their leaves during the day and collecting CO2 at night.